Now, I want you to look at the list of unfamiliar words that you wrote on this part of your graphic organizer. And we're going to add them to a vocabulary chart that looks like this. What I would like for you to do is, and here's an example of it. So I chose some words that might be unfamiliar to some of you. You might have more than this on your chart, but this is just an example that I put together. So let's look at this top one right here. Opposing. That's a word that I read in the pages that we just read in Jackie Robinson that might be unfamiliar. So the definition is oppose, and I like to draw a picture of the word so it helps me remember the meaning. So here, because the definition is opposite, I wrote down a picture that has hot and cold. If you have that word and you want to choose a different picture of opposite, then that would be great. You could choose any picture that helps you remember the meaning of the word. The next word I chose was contained, and the meaning of that is held within. So I chose a picture of a bird in a cage because the bird is being held within the cage. The next word is anticipation. The definition for that is expecting and hoping. And I chose a picture of a fisherman sitting on a pier, sitting in a chair there with a fishing pole, hoping and expecting to have a fish bite onto his fishing pole so he could pull that in and catch the fish. The last word I chose is impeccable. The definition is perfect. And the example I chose was an arrow right in the middle of a bullseye because that's a perfect shot. Now, I would like you to make your own vocabulary word chart. You might have had some of the words that I chose, and that's perfectly fine. You might have more than that. And you can write the word here, the definition here, and draw a picture of the word here. When you're done with that, then I want you to draw a line underneath all of it. And this is just an example. You can take as much room on this as you want. You might decide to draw a big picture. We have more copies of these for you if you need them. So again, write the word, its definition, and draw a picture that helps you remember what this word means. And I'll give you some time to do that.